Assalamualaikum and good evening. Welcome to DVP Bulletins. In tonight's segment, we dive into a matter that concerns the safety and integrity of our living spaces, floor cracks. We'll be taking you through an insightful interview session with Brother Amzar.
Thank you, Brother Adib from Sri Bentas. I am Amzar Syazwi reporting from KOE Not building. So, there has been multiple reports claiming the issues of the cracks in the floors of KOE building. So, we are trying to find some of KOE students to ask their opinions about the effects of these floor cracks to them. So, let's go. Okay, Brother Suhaimi, right?
Yes.
So, what are your have you been aware about the issues of cracks in floors in the KOE buildings?
Talking about floor cracks, right? Okay, I think it's a big issue for the floor cracks in KOE. It's been a problem for me too.
Oh, okay. So, what do you think is the effects of this crack to the student at KOE building, especially for you?
I think the floor cracks have become stumble hazard or tripping hazard for the students, and this is a problem for their safety too. If they trip and fall, they will get injured. So I think this problem need to be solved quickly.
Okay. Alright. Thank you, Brother Shami, for your time.
Thank you.
Good luck for your future.
Okay.
Okay, Brother Afnan. Have you been aware about the issues of cracks in the floors of KOE building, especially?
Yes, I have been aware of this problem.
Alright. So, has these cracks in KOE buildings has been a problem to you? Do you have any experience, bad experience with these cracks at KOE building?
From my experience, just yesterday, my friend is falling because of the cracks at KOE, especially at the E0 and E1.
Alright. So, do you think this is a big issue?
I think it's a very big issue in this KOE.
Alright, thank you, Brother Afnan, for your time. Good luck for your future. As we can see, these cracks issues at the floors of KOE's building has been an issue and a big issue to a lot of KOE students. So I think the KOE students think that this issue has to be tackled quickly, and there has to be an action to tackle this issue. So that's all from me, Brother Amzar Syazwi reporting from E1 KOE buildings. Thank you. Back to Brother Adib at Syukri.
Alright, thank you Brother Amzar for the interview session. A group of students called Plus Ultra was assigned a project named Safety Environment in KOE. Plus Ultra got the project in the Engineering Ethics from Islamic Perspective subject. Plus Ultra consists of 5 engineering students. The members of Plus Ultra team are Adib Husaini as the program coordinator. He is responsible for overall coordination of the community service project. And then Noor Hafzan as the community engagement specialist. He is act as a liaison between the project team and the community KOE. He is also act as the secretary in the Plus Ultra team. Then Ahmad Nazreeq Syukri as the social impact analyst. He analysed the cause of these challenges and their effects on the community, and he is also act as this financial controller of the project. Then Zaidul Abrar as the infrastructure and repair analyst. He propose and implement solutions for patching up physical infrastructure cracks, and he acts also as the special task in the project. Next, Amzar Syazwi as communication and outreach coordinator. He create informational materials to keep the community informed about the project activities, and also he act as the special task in the project. Now, we will go on detail on the project with Zaidul Abrar.
Okay, thank you Brother Adib for giving the floor to me. So I will further explain about the description of our project. So basically, this project is about safety environment in KOE. It is because we have found so many dangerous areas in KOE, such as broken ceiling, water leaking, and also cracked concrete structure. Therefore, we as a team want to overcome this issue to ensure the safety and also the well-being of the students, staff, and also the workers in the KOE especially. So we as a team have met our supervisor, which is Prof Fazlin, and also the lecturer of our gene subject, and also Daya Bersih Sdn Bhd representative to seek approval of our project. And then after that, we met Brother Shahril and also met him and proposed and discussed about our project. At the end of discussion, he approved about our project and advised us to choose the area that we can do the project. Therefore, we as a team choose to repair and also replace the cracked concrete structure around the building in KOE, especially E0. Okay, let's move to objective. Our first objective is to provide a safer environment in KOE, one that is in harmony with the Maqasid Syariah. By prioritizing the safety, we uphold the fundamental principles of Sharia that advocate for the protection of life and the fulfillment of basic human needs. This assessment aims to identify potential safety hazards, broken facilities, or any risks that might compromise the well-being of our students. The purpose of it is to create a space that is not only conducive to academic excellence but also free from prudential dangers. In addition to physical safety, we move to second objective, which is we also aim to create awareness and also promote a safety culture within our kuliah. Through educational initiative, workshops and regular updates, we will empower our community members to actively contribute in maintaining a safe and also secure environment.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Now we are going to see the process flow of this project. First, we define the project and identify the location where is the problem affected. Next, we brainstorm for the solutions and propose the idea to our project advisor. After that, we meet the PIC in KOE for their feedback. And next, we got the confirmation from our project advisor, and our confirmed project is concrete patch up at E0 KOE. After that, we bought the concrete and also borrow the equipment from the lab at KOE. After we finish the repairing job, we clean up the locations, and finally we make the report of this project. So that's all for the project process flow. Thank you.
Back with me live at Sri Pentas in the slot. What are your thoughts? Where we will discuss the impact of the project done by Group Plus Ultra to the community, especially KOE students. This project has received a lot of attention and love from the community, especially KOE students, as it provides safety and well-being environment to them. It also brings back the positive aesthetic of the kuliah building. This project also helps to improve and to bring back educational pride to the staff and students, as they see efforts are being made by a group of students to improve and maintain the physical structure to their kuliah building. Now, to see the results of this project, we will go live with Brother Adib, who is live at the location.
Alright, thank you, Brother Amzar from the Sri Pentas. Alright, so we're now at the location of E0 in KOE. So the Plus Ultra have successfully patched out the 13 cracks in the floor of E0. Now we can look here. Right, this is come closer. Right now we have the Plus Ultra have patched the cement on the cracks on the floor. So this is one of well form of the cement and successfully covered the cracks. And I will show you the other two. Come on. Also we have this also the one of the cracks that we have the Plus Ultra have covered. And come on, let's go. We look at the other one. Alright, this is one also of the cracks that Plus Ultra have successfully patched up, but this is like not can fully covered on the like this platform on the surface because of like more on water mix, and this is some of the rocks that what you call attach up on the cements during the we patch up during the Plus Ultra patch up. But what we can conclude is Plus Ultra has successfully doing work on the safety environment in KOE, and we have get a response from KOE that they are satisfied with actions that have been done from Plus Ultra. That's all. I will pass back to Brother Amzar in Sri Pentas. Assalamualaikum.
Thank you, Brother Adib. Now we will move to the slot where we will ask Brother Ahmad Nazreeq about the ibrah that we can get from this project.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So now we move on to the ibrah session. As we all know, the presence of cracks on pathways within KOE can be attributed to various factors, and understanding the root causes is crucial for addressing and preventing further damage. Additionally, these challenges can have several effects on the university community. For example, the root causes are maybe poor construction of materials, climate and weather conditions, or lack of maintenance. The pathways may have been constructed using substandard materials or inadequate construction methods. This can lead to early deterioration and cracking due to environmental factors and regular use. Also, exposure to extreme weather conditions such as freeze-thaw cycles or excessive rainfall can contribute to the development of cracks. This can cause the weather-induced cracking and accelerate the deterioration process, making the pathways more susceptible to the damage. So, what are the strategies to overcome the problems? For example, we can do the material selection. Also, maintenance practices and prioritizing safety. So, poor construction materials contribute to the formation of cracks. By choosing durable and environmentally friendly materials such as recycled or locally sourced materials can enhance the longevity of pathways and reduce the need for frequent placements. Insufficient maintenance leads to the progression of cracks, so that we can implementing regular maintenance routines and employing eco-friendly repair methods, which can minimize the environmental impact of repairs and extend the life of pathways. So the prioritizing safety, it is the most important thing to avoid any accidents for the students and staff at KOE. So safety should always be a top priority. In engineering, understanding the importance of safety protocols and consistently implementing them teaches individuals the value of prioritizing well-being in all aspects of life. So from the project that we have done, what are the life lessons that we can learn from this project? So the life lessons is like what we can get and we reflect it. So for example, risk management. So identifying the mitigating risk is a fundamental aspect of engineering safety. Translating this skill to life involves understanding and managing risk in decision making, financial planning, and personal relationships. Also, ethical considerations. So, from ethical ethical considerations are paramount in engineering to ensure public safety. This can reinforce the importance of ethical behavior in personal and professional interactions. So, in the context of engineering, particularly in KOE, it encompasses a set of principles and values that guide the conduct of engineers and their responsibility towards society, the environment, and their profession. Here's an elaboration on the ethical consideration in engineering. For example, professional integrity, public safety, and environmental responsibility. So engineers are expected to maintain the highest level of professional integrity. This involves being honest, transparent, and accountable for their actions, decisions, and work. Also, engineers have a duty to prioritize the safety and well-being of the public. Ethical engineering practices ensure that designs, projects, and technologies meet safety standards and do not pose unnecessary risks to individuals or communities. Engineers also should consider the environment impact of their projects. It includes promoting sustainability, minimizing ecological footprints, and incorporating eco-friendly practices into engineering solutions. So, as a Muslim engineer, we can view it from the Islamic perspective. For example, the poor construction of materials. Islam encourages the use of quality and durable materials in construction. The concept of ihsan, excellence in Islamic teachings, implies that individuals should strive for excellence in all their endeavors, including construction, which involves using good materials to ensure longevity and durability. Second of all is the lack of maintenance. Neglecting maintenance goes against the Islamic concept of amanah, trust, and stewardship. Muslims are considered stewards or khalifa of the earth and are instructed to take care of the resources entrusted to them. Regular maintenance is a responsible act of preserving what has been entrusted to us. So, that's all from me for the Ibra session. I hope we can learn many things from the project that we have done and the problem that we encountered in KOE. Thank you.
As we conclude tonight's bulletin on floor cracks, it is essential to emphasize the broader context in which these issues exist. The importance of environmental sustainability cannot be overstated. Our place, our facility, the very structures that provide us places and facilities also play a role in the larger environmental landscape. As we bid you good night, let's reflect not only on the safety of our place, but also on the impact of our choice have on the world around us. Thank you for joining us, and remember, building a better future starts right at our place. Stay informed and stay conscious, and good night. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Let me take you dancing.